There have been news circulating online about an MPBL player during the Gensan and Mindoro Tamaraos match na pinatawan ng lifetime ban mula sa MPBL. His name is Mike Sorella. And during the game nila kontra sa Mindoro, he literally just boomed the player named Jonas Tibayan. Ito yung madalas na sinasabi ng mga tao na kapag pikon ka, wag kang maglalaro ng contact sports. Kung meron kang anger management issues, wag kang maglalaro ng contact sports. And once you are a professional player, it's not just a game anymore, it's work now. And due to that punch, dahil may buwelo pa nga yung suntok na ginawa niya, Jonas Tibayan suffered a broken jaw. And MPBL, props naman sa kanila because they made quick action after all of it dahil pinatawan nila ng lifetime ban itong si Sorella. Plus, they gave a 200,000 peso penalty. At hindi lang yun actually. I think there's also a lifetime revocation, like nirevoke ng GAB yung license niya para maging isang professional player. So with that, posibleng hindi na siya makasali sa mga ibang liga dito sa Pilipinas. I am always anti-people who would resort to violence whenever they feel like it.